Do you know that Facebook has an idea of every bit of thing you're doing on their platform? But the truth is, you can block them from knowing your activities on their platform. Okay, so if you want to know how to block Facebook from having access to your data, this is a video you want to watch to the end. I'm going to walk you through step by step, so make sure you carefully watch the end. To stop Facebook from accessing your data is very easy and simple. So the first thing you want to do is to go to the Facebook app you tap to open. So once you open the Facebook app, you're going to locate your profile picture at the top right of your profile. You tap on your profile picture. Then you're going to go down. You're going to see settings and privacy. You tap on this arrow. Then next you go to settings. You tap on settings. So once you tap on settings, you're going to see this interface on your profile. That is your Facebook profile. Then you go down, you're going to see preferences. Under preferences, you see content preferences, reaction preferences, notification, accessibility, tab bar, language and region, media, your time on Facebook, browser, dark mode, and camera roll sharing suggestion. So this is where you want to go. So it depends on your phone interface. Okay, some phone you might see this camera roll sharing suggestion under media. Okay, but for me, I'm using Android phone, so this is where my own is located. Camera roll sharing suggestion. So that is where you want to go. Okay, then you tap on camera roll sharing suggestions. So once you tap on camera roll sharing suggestions, you're going to see custom sharing suggestions from your camera roll. Okay, so as you guys can see, mine is already turned on, so Facebook can be spying whatever it is I'm doing on their platform. So they will use basic data from your camera roll, like which videos you've favorited and when photos were taken, to suggest custom creations already arranged and edited for you with things like transition, music and effect. So next here is get camera roll suggestion when you are browsing Facebook. When you are browsing Facebook, you will occasionally see photos and videos from your camera roll to remind you that you have a new sharing suggestions available. So this is what you want to do. You want to switch off this and you want to switch off this. So once you switch this off, Facebook will not have access to spy your activity on their platform. This is the two buttons you want to turn off so that Facebook cannot have access to your data on their platform. So this is how to block Facebook from having access to your data on their platform. Okay, if you found this helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and as well follow this page for more tips. Thank you so much and see you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day and bye for now.